This is 1 week of me using the Herbal hair oil, and it's about 1/3 of the way done. I've been using it every day, and since it's coconut oil, I like to spray my hair with like a floral spritz or spring water. And for the most part, my hair has been liking it a lot. I'm gonna show you guys that in another clip, but so far so good. I have also found a way to use less of it. I think I also previewed that in the video before this one. I think in part 2. No, not in part, maybe part 3. But yeah, this, I'm gonna just link it in the iCards so that you can see, or in the description box below. So this is how much is left, and you can definitely use less than this in a week. It is possible, just as long as you have a thorough wash day. Also, sometimes I wash my hair twice a week. It just depends on how hot it is. In the summertime, I normally wash my hair more times than once a week or twice a week. So I have amped up my wash days, and you'll find that in Ayurvedic hair care that some people they do recommend that you rinse out the coconut oil. So I mean, sometimes you put it in 30 minutes before or overnight, but with the African American community or the black community in general, we don't really wash our hair every day. So washing every 3 days to me is substantial enough, especially like if you have a sensitivity to coconut oil. You could try that and see how it works out for you. Also, I clarify probably once a month or so. So that is also another suggestion. And another option, you could just use some other oils like avocado oil. Sesame seed oil is really great for Ayurveda scalp massages. And I also like grapeseed oil. You could try almond oil, sweet almond oil. You could basically try any carrier oil that suits you. So now I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks. Okay guys, so this is how my hair looks. My scalp feels very nice, and I haven't been having any itchiness. Let me give you like a close up of my ends. My ends feel really nice as well. And as I told you guys, it's the oil in conjunction with the wash day routine and the products that you use. So my scalp looks. And this was a problem area of mine, a lot of dryness and so forth. So I'm actually working on this side, and as well as this side as well. So I'm just going to show you guys. So it's this section, this section, this section, and this section that has dryness. I experienced a lot of breakage in those areas, and also the crown area, but I mean everything feels soft, and perhaps my hair needed the nutrients all along, but this is just the first week, so I'm just telling you guys what I've noticed so far. I also realized like this area is getting a little bit fuller, because what I used to do was I used to constantly make a middle part, and really you're supposed to switch up your parts, and also there's some breakage, some areas that had breakage is not really breaking anymore, basically some shorter pieces. I don't know if I have a piece I can show you guys. Like, because when you don't have clean parts, because you see here I don't have, like, I have somewhat of a imperfect part, but for the most part I don't really like using the rat tail comb, but I found that it is actually necessary in my hair routine to prevent breakage, especially breakage at the roots, because then you have hair from this section over here, because you see how this is? It's very easy for hair to be here and still over in this other part. So then what happens is, sometimes when I used to feel it, I used to pull it out. So don't do that. Please don't do that. Just be very gentle with your hair. Massage it. And what I do is, like, use my fingers, dip it in the bowl, just one dip, and then use my fingers as a way to access my roots and my scalp. It's kind of like the oil bottle that has the comb on it, and then so it's the same with your fingers, so you don't really have to put yourself in any expense to do this. So, and for the most part, I like how my hair feels. My hair likes coconut oil. I can't speak for anybody else, but it likes coconut oil, coconut milk, coconut cream, anything coconut water. Coconut water is hydrating. And another product that I've been using for hydration before applying the oil is this. So that helps. And I like to make sure I get the roots as well, because as I just basically explained, you really and truly need to also take care of your roots. Your ends, you should make sure you take care of, because they're your elders, but you also have to take care of the newborns, okay? Do you let a newborn baby fend for itself? Nope. So why would you let your roots fend for themselves? All right? And really and truly looking into like Ayurveda, I have realized that I wasn't really paying attention to my roots. So I'm hoping that I see some kind of results. And this is how it looks. Alright. And as you can see, my edges are still doing their best to grow. And that's about it. That's my update. I have nothing to bring home about growth, because I do not believe in like hyping up something after a week of use. I believe in using it in periods of a month, 2 months, 3 months. Really and truly, you see something. I said really and truly so many times, but guys, it takes about 3 months for you to realize something change, hair wise, probably skin wise as well. So it's all about hair care and patience. So you have to have those two in order to grow your hair, along with other stuff. But really, I think it boils down to patience and hair care. Alright, so I am going to apply some more of the oil, and I'll see you guys in the next video.